You're going to say, what the heck is that? And my partner Christopher and I said, what the heck is that? Happened to be in a marina next door to another boat, more conventional Regal 33XO that we are working with the owner on. And what's really cool is the backstory. I'm a story guy, and we talked about the Everglades story and how cool that family history is with it. Well, this guy, Roger Brooks, was head of development and research for Fountain Powerboats, and worked for a number of other big name boat companies over the years before setting this up. Was a company that built a reputation, even though they only built 24, 25 boats, they built a reputation as an amazing, sturdy battle wagon. This boat does a little bit of everything, but its focus is fishing. For the guy, the family that loves fishing, wants something that is purpose-built, battle wagon, and yet small enough to put on a trailer and take wherever you want.